Hey guys, I'm going to show y'all how to use a motion path PowerPoint presentation. And what you're going to do is open up your PowerPoint at the bottom of your screen. And you're going to, we don't have to, but I'm going to clear this so it's a clear screen. I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to insert. You should be able to just click on clip art, but for some reason it doesn't work. So I go click on something else and see up here it comes up and you click on clip art, and basically it'll be all the images. You can do all images, which is everything you have, and then you can break it down into these categories, and the ones that I used came from special occasions and people. So the first thing that you're going to do is you are going to click and drag, and I'm going to show y'all, or what I want to happen is for these balloons to go up straight across the screen just like that. Okay? And because I'm putting it on the gray part, because whenever I click full screen, it's going to show just the white part, and I want it to appear at the bottom and disappear at the top. So in order for you not to see it on full screen until it starts, you put it in the gray part. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to animations, and basically this is it. You're going to click on your customize your animations. So like whenever you do set up something, this is where you go to click to customize each individual item that you choose. And you have your entrance effects, emphasis effects, and exits. What I want to do is I want it to go straight up, so I'm going to click motion paths and draw a line, and I'm going to draw a straight line up from the balloons all the way off of the screen, and there you go. See, the balloons come from the bottom and go straight to the top. If I click play again, see, okay, and then off to the side you have your custom animation, is where you customize your different animations, and on this one it has different things to choose from. I don't want it to dim, but it is, since I am putting it in the gray part, it is going away off of the white screen whenever I'm showing it on full screen. If I wanted to add a sound, I can add a sound to it. So you go and you play again. See, heard that? You can click about how fast or slow. Say we want it to go slow. Or say you want it to go fast. So the difference? We're going to say slow. You can also have a delay time, like for my next item, if I wanted it to come in just a couple seconds like after this one comes, then I would put a delay time of how many seconds. If I wanted something to repeat, I can put as many times as I want for it to repeat, and I can also rewind it whenever I'm done playing, but we don't want to do that. So the next thing you're going to do is just add in your next clip arts, which I want to do the hat, make it to the size that you want it. I'm going to go above onto the gray because I want it to come down, which I'm just going to do draw straight down and stop about here. Okay, so it's going to stop there. And then see right here, it's the same thing as the first one, but you can set up the animations. You can customize this animation exactly how you want it. So I don't want it on the click, I want it after previous. So after the balloons go and finish, then the hat's going to come down. And I want someone to wear the hat. So I'm going to click and drag. And I'm going to pull him off of the screen. And do the same thing with the motion paths. and you're going to go back to animations. That's where everything pretty much is for the entrance effects and exits. I'm going to click the same thing, go from the man, and stop where I think it should be. So he stops there, and I think the hat might stop a little higher, so we're going to see what it looks like. So you play, balloons go, then your hat should come down, and then the man, almost perfect. So with the man, if I click this picture now, I'm dealing with the hat because that's the second thing I did. So if I wanted to do a sound, I could do a sound. I don't. I think that's all pretty good, and I click on the man, which is the third item that I added. And I think that's pretty good. So basically you get the picture with it, and you can just add all kind of stuff. You can make a story, you can make like just like that I took the hat and I connected it to the man. Pretty cool. So I'm going to show y'all one that I have already made. Here is it looks like a little confusing to you, but what it would look like whenever you did it in steps, and I want to show you what it would look like. And starting over. So that was just a short little presentation to show you how to use the motion path PowerPoint presentation. Pretty simple and pretty neat. Thanks, guys.